Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Realty. Today I'm out in Green Meadows to look at the Castlerock build that's behind me. This is the Eureka plan and it's elevation A. So they have completed the framing process. They've got the electrical rough out done. So I'm gonna flip this around and we're gonna take a walk. Okay guys, so this is the Eureka plan, like I just mentioned, elevation A. It has, my clients, typically this plan has 3,400 square feet. My clients opted to have a 5th bedroom and an office included in this plan. So that brought it up to 3,800 square feet. And we've got 5 beds, 4 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. So as we come inside, beautiful wide entryway. We've got 3 bedrooms downstairs. 2 secondary ones are right up here at the front. So we've got one here, and it has an ensuite bath. Before we go look at the bath, this is the closet. So look at the floor, the outline of the wood. That'll give you a good idea of the size and shape of that closet. Then tucked back here is the ensuite bath. So that's a stand-up shower with the commode, and then your countertop has 1 sink. I can tell that because of that little plumbing structure right there. And then across the way is another secondary bedroom. So I have a little hallway in here, beautiful high ceilings. And then this is a little bit bigger closet. You can look at the floor and check that out. And then directly across is the bathroom. So you'll have a sink, counters here, and then go in another doorway and you have the stand-up shower and commode. So this will also act as just the general bathroom when guests come to visit. Continuing in, we've got this stairway that goes up to the 2nd level. We'll check that out in a minute. And then off to the right, this is where you will come in from the garage. So you've got the garage here, big 2 cars, and then your little mud bench will be there, and then a generous sized laundry room. It's really, really big. That's awesome. Plenty of room to do clothes. And one thing I did want to point out too while I'm over here, underneath the stairs here is extra storage space. I love it when builders think through that and make use of every square inch of the house. No wasted space here, guys. All right, continuing on. This is the study my clients had decided to put in instead of a side patio. So this house comes with 2 patios, unless you want to choose this option. So this is the first, and then the other one is of course in the back. But the office there, it's a really good option. And then we have a formal dining here, which as you can see is open to the living, breakfast nook, and kitchen areas. It's really nice that this is all open so you can, nobody's closed off. You can, keep the conversation going. And I wanted to point out that this is a 2-story living room, and there is a balcony from upstairs looking down here. That was something my clients really, really wanted, so I'm really glad they got that. It's beautiful. And then the living room does have a fireplace, that big square in the middle. It's a gas fireplace. You can tell that little pipe there, that's the gas stub for it. Back here, tucked in the corner, is the master bedroom. Gorgeous master. Vaulted ceilings. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Hey, this is actually a really good talking point. So as you can tell, these windows are broken. No, they're not going to install them. And what I get asked a lot by people is, do we have to pay for that? No, because you guys, you don't own this house until you close and fund on it. So technically the builder owns the house. So that's the builder's responsibility, and they have insurance for that, so, yep. Continuing in, we've got the master bath, which as you enter in, you've got his and hers closets. I love, love, love that. I wish more builders did this. This is so cool. And then you come into the main bath area where you've got your tub and shower, the countertops with your sinks. His and her sinks are going to be straight ahead. You have your water closet over here. And then this is more countertops and cabinetry. Very cool. But yeah, so yes, that will get taken care of. They'll hang those windows. Once they hang the windows, and obviously you can see all these wires that are running in the walls, the white and blue and all that stuff. That's the electrical rough, which means, or the mechanical rough. So that's when they come in and they run all of your low voltage. It's all your plugs, your light switches, and your high voltage. So if you have security cameras maybe that you bought, or surround sound equipment for the game room, all of that stuff is part of the mechanical. And then your HVAC system as well. So the ductwork will be in. Okay, coming upstairs, huge game room. Wow, that's big. And then it does have a couple windows letting in some natural light. Here's the balcony that will look down below. And then I think this plan has an option to do a media room. My clients did not choose that, but this doorway here is your attic access. So there's all the ductwork for the HVAC. And you'll be able to, this is the access point that whenever you have the system service, that's where they will enter. All right, then we have 2 more bedrooms up here. 2 big bedrooms up here, huge. And then nicer, larger closets. So these rooms are identical in size. At least they look that way. I'm pretty sure they're identical. And then this is a larger closet as well, kind of like the one we saw downstairs. And then between these 2 bedrooms is a full bath. So you'll have a large countertop here with 1 sink, and then a tub shower combo. Yeah, that looks really good. Really good. Okay, now we're gonna go check out the patio in the back. So this plan, these larger plans out here in Green Meadows, they have to be put on the larger lots. This is a 65-foot lot back here that we're at. So not only does it hold this beautiful, massive home, but it also has a larger backyard. And for now, the view is very pretty. One day, that'll be houses. But yeah, this is gorgeous. And then this is a little preview of what your fence will look like. That's board on board. Very pretty. And it looks like your brick has been delivered. So yeah, that should be going up pretty soon. And I didn't get a good look at this patio, but this is a really nice patio, guys. Very good size. And that's standard. Oh, this is so exciting. It's gorgeous. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour this week. A lot has happened since the last time we were here, and a lot still has to go. So hopefully in the coming weeks, we will see the go ahead and start insulating and sheetrocking, and then also the brick will start to go up. So very excited to see the progress of this house. Y'all know how to reach me if you need me. For those of you tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan, and I work with Living Well Realty, and I would love to help you with your new construction home. So please give me a call, text, email, or you can schedule a Zoom appointment via the link below. Until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.